Hi everyone, it's Lorraine here. This is just a quick tutorial to show you how to do the popcorn stitch. So I'm working into a chain 2, but you could just as easily be working into a single stitch. So into this chain 2 space I am going to place 4 double crochet. Some patterns you will have popcorn which is 5 double crochet, but here we're going to place 4. So that's 3 and 4, and that's 4 double crochet in US terms, so 4 treble crochet in UK terms. Now I'm going to take the hook out of the working yarn, place it into that first double crochet, put it back in through the loop and pull through, and then we chain 1 to close the popcorn. Now I'm going to chain 2 because that's what I need to do for this particular pattern, and I'll do one more just to show you. So 4 double crochet into your chain space or your stitch. That would be 4 treble crochet in UK terms. Take the hook out of the working yarn, place it into the first double crochet, back through the loop, pull that through and chain 1. And that is how you make your popcorn stitch. Hope that helps. Happy crocheting.